Hey all, today I'm going to tell how to treat your dry curls. So the best treat that I used to do is the hot oil treatment. So for that I will need pure coconut oil. I'll take some oil to a dish and I'm going to double boil it. You can also use a microwave for this process. Take it out slowly when the bubbles appear. I'm using little bit of pure olive oil with vitamin E for my hair before the hot oil treatment. If you are using any vitamins you had used before the oil treatment, then it will absorb well to the scalp. Then massage the scalp well. Now we can use the hot oil. First put your ends of the hair to the cup so it will soak well with the oil. Then you can apply it to the scalp. Again massage the scalp well. After that you can put a small bun and cover it with a silk cap. So for my hair wash I'm going to use Kohomba herbal shampoo and the Kumarika thick and long conditioner. So this is my hair after the wash. It looks really healthy and silky with a good volume.